In this section we will learn how to model the structure that we just saw in the previous video. So open your STAAD Pro software and also open the AutoCAD drawing. So I have attached the AutoCAD drawing as a downloadable resource in the previous video. Okay, so open these two things, AutoCAD as well as the STAAD Pro. So the first thing that you need to do is the configuration, as I've told this thing in the previous videos as well. So click on the configuration, and from here the base unit, as you can see over here in the architectural drawing that. So if we zoom in into the ground floor, you can see that all the dimensions are already given in the feet and inches. So you got two options: either you can convert these feet and inches to meter and use meter in STAAD Pro, or use this feet and inches in STAAD Pro as well. So the easier thing is that not to make any changes, because it will just complicate things, and just move on to the feet and inches in STAAD Pro as well. That is why we have been using metric till now. We will be using English this time, so that is feet and inches. So any other thing that you want to change, maybe background color okay, I'm just kidding. So any other thing that you want to change, please make the change here, and after that click on accept. So now we will open a new project and it will be space. Okay, and the structure, name it anything. So I'll just name it as STAAD Pro Practice File. It's a one, so let me not give the file practice project, so it's a whole lot of project one. And length, the unit is foot, and the force unit is kilopound. And let's convert the force unit to kilonewton, and the length will keep as foot. And you can change where the file is saved, and click on next, click on add beam, and click on finish. Now the first thing that you have to do is cancel this unnecessary thing. The first node we will always make at 0. We already have the node. Now let us see the AutoCAD drawing. Open it, and you can see that, so you can model this node we have already done. So we will keep the origin here, so that everything, all the structure is in the positive side, and we'll keep the 0 here. And after that, either you can draw this node or draw this node. So I'll just draw this node. So the distance is 11 feet and 6 inches. So what are we gonna do? We can either create from here. So let's just do that. 11 feet and 6 inches is, so 1 feet has got 12 inches. So 11 feet plus 6 inch, that is 0.5 feet. So 11.5 feet. So this distance is, oops, got the calculator. So this distance is 11 feet 11.5 inches. Okay, so sorry, 11.5 feet or 11 feet and 6 inches. This direction is the x direction, that is why I have placed the coordinate in the x direction, and the z is 0. So if this line is the origin line, so z is 0 here. So we got 11.5 enter 0 0. We got another coordinate. So now let's just copy this coordinate. Okay, so we have to use the nodes cursor. So left click on it and select the node, and after that Control plus C and Control plus V. So x direction, now let us see the distance. So it is 13 feet and 6 inches. So this distance center to center from the columns. Okay, so just use that. Okay, let me just delete it. Center to center. Okay, if this distance, all right, so if this distance is not given, what do you have to do? You have to measure it by yourself. Center to center distance between the columns, 13 feet and 6 inches. Again it's 13.5 feet, because 1 feet has got 12 inches. So 13.5 feet, and click on OK. We got 3 nodes here. Now I'll just use this option, so view from plus Y, so that I can see in the linear form. Now I'll select all the 3 nodes. What I'll do, I'll just do Control C and I'll do Control V. Now we'll copy these nodes in the Z direction. So this direction is our X direction and this direction is our Z direction. So the distance from this grid, CC grid, to the BB grid is 13 feet and 6 inches. So let's do that. 13.5. okay, not in the X but in the Z direction. Okay, 13.50, and let's just do 0 here. Click on OK. So we got the nodes here. Again, let us copy them. Control C and Control V, and let's see what the distance is. Again, 13 feet and 6 inches. So this is a very simple structure that you can imagine. Okay, and so this will be very helpful to make your base. So if I just start using the complex structure, you will get confused. So I just wanted to start by a simple structure, and later we will move to the complex structure as well. 13.50 and click on OK. So we got 3 nodes here as well.